Welcome back to my channel YT Cars. The mysterious world of the Ghost Zenith Badge, an elusive emblem that tests not just strength, but strategy and nerve. Located deep in the haunted Wraithspire gym, this badge is awarded only to those who can outwit and outlast the spectral masters lurking within. The gym is a chilling maze, with dimly lit corridors, flickering lanterns, and illusions that reset your path unless you solve eerie riddles left by long-gone trainers. Before reaching the gym leader, you'll face a gauntlet of elite ghost-type specialists wielding powerful Pokémon like Mismagius, Chandelure, and Gengar, each equipped with abilities to nullify normal attacks and exploit status conditions. The final challenge is Gym Leader Mortisa, a former spirit medium turned champion of the supernatural. She opens with a Sableye using Prankster to confuse and stall, followed by a tanky Spiritomb that can't be hit super effectively. Her ace, a Spectros, a regional exclusive evolution of Dusknoir, uses Phantom Shift, a new move that alters turn priority and disrupts your timing. To win, you'll need Dark-type counters, status-clearing moves, and timing that anticipates her tricky strategies. Once you finally defeat Mortisa, she awards you the Ghost Zenith Badge, an intricate, obsidian pin shaped like an eclipse, glowing faintly with ethereal energy. This badge allows the use of the move Shadow Glide outside battle and increases Ghost-type move accuracy by 10% in your team. It's not just a symbol of victory, it's proof you've faced fear, embraced the unknown, and come out stronger. Like and subscribe to my channel YT Cars.